Hello all, welcome to Food Canopy. Today we are making a Christmas special pudding using electric pressure cooker. The traditional method for making this pudding is labor intensive and takes several hours, while we will be making this in under an hour. Let's start with the step 1, that is soaking of the fruit and nuts. In a large mixing bowl, let's add 1/4 cup of candied orange and lemon peel coarsely chopped. You can also use pineapple as well. 1/4 cup of seedless dates chopped. 1/4 cup of black currants. You can replace them with black raisins if you would like to. Half cup of pecans or walnuts chopped. 1/4 cup of golden raisins and cherries. Add 2 tablespoons of brandy to the mixture and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix them well. Wrap the bowl with plastic wrap and keep it aside for minimum of 2 hours. For best results, I recommend soaking them for 24 hours. Let's go ahead and prepare the dry mixture. In a mixing bowl, sieve together 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. To this add 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. I would recommend to use the freshly ground spices for the best results. Sift together. To this add 1.5 cups of fresh white breadcrumbs. Mix them together. Our dry mixture is ready. In a separate bowl, let's mix together the wet ingredients. Add 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter, which is at room temperature. Beat the butter. Add 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar to butter. Mix the butter and sugar. Beat it till it becomes light and fluffy. The result should be a fluffed up creamy texture. Gradually add the eggs, beating well after each addition. I am using 2 whole eggs to the recipe. At this stage, you will get the thin consistency batter. Let's go ahead and add the prepared flour mixture to the batter as well as the prepared fruit and nut mixture. Fold in prepared flour and fruit and nut mixture well. The final batter would be on a thicker side when compared to the regular cake batter mixture. Select a baking bowl which is of deep dome shape to give an authentic traditional look to this pudding. I am using a standard stainless steel bowl. You can use any pressure safe cookware of your choice. Grease the inner surface with butter. Add the batter to the prepared bowl. Give a gentle tap to flatten the batter. Cover it with the parchment paper. The usage of parchment paper helps in extra absorption of moisture while cooking this pudding. Cover the parchment paper with the aluminium foil. Let's start with the final process of cooking the pudding in the electric pressure cooker. To our inner pot, let's add 2 cups of drinking water. Select the saute mode on medium and wait until the water heats up. Place the prepared bowl in the trivet and place the trivet in the pot. We will be cooking this pudding in 2 stages. For first stage, close the lid and set valve in venting mode. Select the steam mode on high and adjust the timer for 20 minutes. Please make sure that your pressure control valve is on venting mode. The timer of electric pressure cooker might not even start. Please use the external timer and set the timer for 20 minutes. After steaming for 20 minutes, move the valve in sealing mode. Select the pressure cook mode on high and adjust the timer for 35 minutes. After cook time, allow the natural pressure release for 10 minutes and release the remaining pressure. Open the lid after pressure valve falls down. Let's go ahead and unwrap the prepared pudding and allow it to cool down completely. Use a sharp knife to separate the pudding from the edges. Flip to demold. Wow! A perfect traditional Christmas pudding. Serve the delicious hot Christmas pudding with a hard sauce. You will find the recipe for the hard sauce in the description box below. Traditionally, this pudding is made and stored for several days to enhance flavors. It tastes equally good if consumed immediately after cooking. You must try this recipe. The flavors of this freshly made pudding will make Santa come to town. Thank you and Merry Christmas!